Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will show you how to rotate screen of your laptop. To do that, open the Start menu right here, then go to Settings, then select System Settings, go to Display Options, and right here you'll find Display Orientation option. Expand this list, and right here you'll be able to see each of the orientations, each orientation you can apply to your device. So for example, if we select portrait orientation, our device's display will look like this, and you can either revert the changes or keep them. You have 15 seconds to keep the changes. Unless you do that, your changes will be reverted. And right now, in order to revert the changes after you applied them, just click on this option once again and select landscape and keep changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.